America just erased a 20-year Chinese supply chain advantage in 72 hours. The U.S. launched the largest naval blockade in Venezuelan history, and in the process secured influence over $2.5 trillion in critical minerals. This isn't a trade dispute, this is a power reset. For 2 decades, China built the perfect trap. They became the #1 trading partner of nearly every South American country. They controlled over 70% of rare earth processing. They locked down the minerals that power AI, electric vehicles, and renewable energy. They didn't just buy resources, they built the supply chains. And supply chains equal control. South America alone holds 60% of the world's lithium, 40% of global copper. That's $170 billion a year today, projected to hit $360 billion by 2035. Now countries are picking sides, and the global map is being rewritten in real time. We've seen this movie before. In the 1600s, the Dutch controlled spice routes and dominated global trade for 2 centuries. In the 1800s, the British Empire controlled textile supply chains and became the world's superpower. In the 1970s, OPEC controlled oil distribution and held the global economy hostage. And in 2025, whoever controls AI mineral supply chains controls the next century. Here's why this matters right now. AI energy demand is exploding. NVIDIA projects a 165% surge by 2030. By 2035, the US will need 25% of its entire power grid just to run AI. Every AI server, every battery, every data center needs lithium, copper, rare earths. No supply chain means no AI revolution. China was about to lock it all down. Then the US flipped the board. The Venezuela blockade sent a message South America couldn't ignore. Choose American markets or Chinese partnerships. Not both. Not anymore. This playbook already worked in Asia. South America is next. And here's the real lesson history keeps teaching us. The biggest fortunes were never made mining gold. They were made controlling the roots. Rockefeller didn't drill oil. He owned the refineries and distribution. NVIDIA doesn't build AI apps. They control the chips. Same pattern. Every time. Build the bridge. Charge the toll. While nations fight over physical supply chains, the smartest players are building AI implementation supply chains. Same rules, same physics. Control execution, capture value, own the choke point, everyone pays. Build first, keep leverage. You don't need a navy. You don't need $2.5 trillion. You need systems. Nations will race for lithium. They'll argue, sanction, posture. Meanwhile, I'm building AI systems. Because in the next 12 to 24 months, every serious business will need AI just to survive. And the ones who implement first won't just adapt, they'll own the leverage.